Would you like to make an easy $14 per hour simply typing what you hear? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal the website that will pay you exactly that and also some alternatives so we can make even more money online. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online, and in this video I will show you a very simple way of making money online. Essentially what you have to do is just type what you hear. You're going to be receiving an audio file and you just have to listen to it, type out what you're hearing and send it back, and these kind of jobs pay an average of $14 per hour. So I'm going to show you the website, some alternatives, so you can pick your favorite one. But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos on this channel, I'm giving away $10. If you want to win $10 right now, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I actually know where to send the money to, and I will be revealing the winner of the previous giveaway in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also please check out all the links in the description of this video. The top link is my top recommended resource for making money online and working from home, and all the rest of the links are all making money online related, so check it all out. These are all top resources. And right now let me share my screen with you and show you how to make $14 per hour typing what you hear for beginners. Okay, so first of all, what I wanted to show you is actually this website right here, Glassdoor. This is a website that essentially allows people to leave reviews for companies that they work for. So this is the company that we're gonna be talking about, GMR Transcription. And as you can see, transcriptionist hourly, they are paying $14 per hour. And also as a contractor, you can make anywhere from $10 to $26 per hour. But if they're gonna pay you hourly, that's $14 per hour. So that's exactly what you can make. And again, GMR Transcription, this is the website that I wanted to show you. You can sign up, become a transcriptionist. So essentially, again, what you're going to be doing is just receiving an audio file, hearing what is on there, typing it up and sending it back. That's all you have to do. So what they are doing is 100% human transcriptionists. This is you, that's what you're going to be doing. US based transcriptionist, so obviously this is only for people based in the US, but if you are not based in the US, just stick with me because I'm going to show you some alternatives. So if you want to sign up as a transcriptionist, just click right here on careers, and obviously you're gonna have all the info right here. So they have some current job openings right now for general transcription or Spanish transcription and translators, and they have also a job opening for certified translators, and this is obviously today. Tomorrow it can be different, so check it out. And again, GMR Transcription, they will pay you $14 per hour. And again, for transcriptions you have to be based in the US. For translators, obviously you don't have to be based in the US. So this is the number one website. Number two website I wanted to show you is dailytranscription.com. So this is just another one of these transcription websites where people go to if they need something transcribed, and you can become a transcriptionist, make some easy money just typing out what you hear. Again, you can just scroll down all the way to the bottom, click on careers, and they will have all of the information right here. So you can check it all out, you can contact them and start making money as a transcriptionist, just essentially typing out what you hear and making money. Number three website is rev.com, and as you can see, they are working with transcriptions, captions, and also foreign subtitles. So for transcriptions you can earn $1 per minute. For captions you can make $1 per minute. For foreign subtitles you can make $3 to $7 per minute, which is a great option if you speak another language, so not just English, but maybe Spanish or Portuguese or any other language. Okay, so rev.com, you can sign up with these guys. Just scroll all the way to the bottom and click on freelancers right here, and you know, you will be able to start working with them and start making some cool money on the side online. All right, number 4 website I wanted to show you is transcribe.me.com. And again, this is the same exact idea. They are working with fast and accurate transcriptionists for as low as 70 cents per minute. All you can do here is click right here where it says join as a transcriptionist. And again, you're going to have all the information you need to join their team right here. They are recommended by a bunch of different blogs. So, you know, all the information is right here. And again, $14 per hour is the average. So, you know, I showed you the Glassdoor for the first website. Obviously, all of these websites can be a little bit different, can be a little bit more or a little bit less, but that's the average, okay? Next one is Scribe.com. So again, transcribe your audio video files, rate starting at 10 cents per minute, and you will be that person that will be transcribing all of it. So you can scroll all the way to the bottom and click right here where it says join Scribe as a transcriber. You can apply right now for a transcription test. So obviously they will send you a test. You're gonna have to send the test back to them, and then they will decide if you are good enough. But these are super simple tests. You know, there's not much more to it than just listening to the audio and typing up what you hear. So Scribe.com, and next up we got verbalink.io. So this is another company that works with transcriptions. So as you can see, it says we transcribe and translate the world. So you can make some money as a transcriptionist, and you can make some money as a translator as well. You can click on contact and then employment right here. So that's just another one of these companies that you can sign up for. And by the way, you can just sign up with one of these websites or all of them. You know, if you want to do this full time, you can just sign up with all of these companies that I'm showing you, and they will send you a ton of work. Okay, so verbalink.io, and the next one is transcribe.com. So another one of these websites, very simple. As you can see, their rates start at $1 per minute. What you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom right here and click on transcribe for us. And again, this will bring up this page with all the information, and you can essentially sign up with them, do the thing that I already explained to you with the previous pages, and start making money as a transcriptionist. And the last one, and actually an example I wanted to show you, is Fiverr.com. Obviously, Fiverr.com is a big freelance platform. You can do a bunch of different things to make money online. You can just type in audio transcription. As you can see, you know, I found this lady right here. So she sold over 1,000 gigs. So, you know, just thinking about $5 in as a starting point, she made at least $5,000 from this, and she has a bunch of different options as well. So obviously, you know, she has $5 as a starting point. The bigger the transcription is, the more money she's making. So she made at least $5,000 with this. So, you know, she is doing up to 8 minutes for $5. So obviously, the longer the transcription is, the audio file is, the more money you'll be making. So Fiverr.com, another great way. So, you know, even if you're just gonna sign up with like transcribe.me.com, I would also recommend you to go to Fiverr and start a gig, because this is a super simple way to start, and you don't need any experience, no skills whatsoever, and you know, you'll be just rated based on your delivery. Okay, so guys, these are my top 8 websites you can make money simply for typing up what you hear. By far the easiest way to make money online, to start making money online. If you are a beginner, if you are a newbie, you don't need any skills or experience for this. And obviously you can make some part-time income. You can treat it as a side hustle, or you can turn it into a full-time income and make it your full-time job if you want to. The beauty is that you can do as much or as little as you want. Okay, so that's my advice for you today. And right now, let's see who won the $10 from my previous giveaway. So this is my last video. As you can see, it's all about making money with Facebook groups. So you can check out this video as well. Obviously, I'm gonna link to it. And let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let me paste in the URL, filter out the duplicates, and let's see how many comments we have. We have 36 comments, so let's pick a random winner right now. Guys, we get Christian Pagan, and he left his PayPal email. So right now I'm going to send him the $10. Congratulations. And if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment with your PayPal email. Very, very important, so I actually know where to send the money to, all right? Okay, so as you are seeing, I just sent $10 to the winner. Again, congratulations. If you want to win $10 right now, please do these 4 things. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description of this video. Again, the top link is my top recommended resource. Check out all the rest of the links. It's all about making money online and working from home. If you have any question, you can always leave a comment. I will try to answer as many as I can. And don't forget to check out all the rest of the videos on this channel. Everything on this channel is free training, all about making money online, working from home, not only making money typing, but a bunch of different ways. Okay, so guys, check out the rest of my videos on this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.